Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and we need you right now. We need you to vote. What are we voting for? Well, we're voting for Jamie. How you doing, Jamie?
I'm doing well.
Okay, we're actually not voting for Jamie. We're actually voting for this amazing car that's sitting behind me right now because it is part of Ford's Hall of Fans, right, Jamie?
That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Jamie, what is Ford's Hall of Fans?
So Ford Hall of Fans was actually started back in 2017 by Ford, and they worked with the NFL Hall of Fame to where they have a section in Canton for just the fans. So it really is about the fans, and to be honest, it is about me. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah, okay, well, okay, so that's it. So we're getting a chance here to send Jamie and his car into the Hall of Fame, right?
Exactly.
So what is this car behind us? Well, I'm going to let Jamie tell you what this bad boy is.
So this is a 1933 Factory 5 Racing Ford Replica. It weighs in at about 2,500 pounds. It does have a small block 302 engine in it. Puts out at just north of about 350 horsepower.
Okay, hold on. So 350 horsepower, and it weighs how much?
2,500 pounds. So
wouldn't we all love to get our hands on that,
it gets
right?
a little squirrely early on until you get it heated up.
Yeah, I was going to say, how long do you have to get the tires heated up to be able to enjoy that, right?
It's also got a Holly Sniper EFI on it. So that's nice. Starting it on cold days is not an issue.
That's insane. Okay, we're going to talk about this. We're going to spend some time with Jamie. We're going to do several videos that talks about the build of this incredible car. But first, right now, we need you to follow the link in the description. We need you to vote. You have to vote every day until February 1st.
February 1st?
All right, so we have until February 1st to get Jamie and this incredible Ford into the Hall of Fame, and I know we can do it. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, be sure to share us with your friends, and tune back in tomorrow because we're going to talk more about cars, especially this one, right, Jamie?
Right.
Absolutely.